Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring the stamp set Free as a Bird. I have an online class featuring this bundle, and I want to make sure that my customers get a lot of inspiration from me using it. Here's a sneak peek of the online class. It's available to both Canadians and Americans through Sarah Fleming's Prepare to Die paper crafts. And I did want to take a minute of your time to share where you can find my current online class offering. So you can see where that little red arrow is. You just click the classes and you can come up with my online class offering. But I did want to draw your attention to the class and event registration because I have this mega online class that I am working with Sarah Fleming with as well, and we will have 12 projects using the Most Wonderful Time product medley. So these are all the products that you get in the product medley, and you can register right now, although you can't purchase until September the 4th. So head to my blog and register for that class. It's going to be so much fun. So this is the packet that came in the mail if you've purchased with me. So again, I'm featuring the Free as a Bird stamp set as well as the coordinating designer series paper. So this is a really interesting card, and I got it as a swap actually from a lady in Australia. I can't remember her name at the moment, so sorry. And this is how you put it together. So the top and bottom are 2-inch strips, and then the designer series paper goes on those two, whichever way that you want actually. And then this little skinny piece was the bird cages, and you can kind of see I'm just eyeballing where to put the dimensionals, and I put 4 dimensionals just to make sure it was sturdy. I probably could have got away with 3, but I like my dimensionals. I think you probably know that about me by now. I invest heavily in dimensionals. So now I'm going to put the card, that little strip down, and adhere the 2 pieces together, and you're going to be surprised at how well the card holds up. So I'm inking up the sentiment with Stays On ink, and the sentiment says, "Your friendship means the world to me." And it's just that simple. You could adorn it with a ribbon if you wanted to, or a trinket. I really like it plain. So that's my card kit for this month. Thank you so much for shopping with me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.